How to fix WhatsApp photos not sending. If you're trying to send photos inside of your WhatsApp and if you're having issues with it, the first thing that you need to immediately check if your internet connection is stable or not. If it is not stable, then you can try switching between networks and try to see if the issue is fixed. Now, if this is not the issue, what you'll also need to ensure is that if your phone has sufficient storage or it has sufficient storage space in order for it to send any sort of images or even media files. What you can also try out is try to restart your phone. So just tap and hold the power button on your phone and then try to simply restart it. Now, after doing all of these steps, if you're still having issues, what you can also try out is try to toggle on and toggle off the airplane mode on your phone. Also, you can try clearing out the WhatsApp cache. You can simply do that by tapping and holding the app, heading over to this eye icon. From the settings page, head over to storage and just tap on the clear cache option. Now, if none of these solutions work out for you, lastly, what you can also ensure is that if the storage permissions or the photo permissions is allowed inside of WhatsApp. So from the settings again, head over to permissions and make sure that the photos and videos are set to allow. Once you complete these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the WhatsApp photos not sending issue. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.